As we're heading towards the holiday season and with restrictions easing, most of us are planning a little holiday somewhere in sunny South Africa just to get away and get that much needed fresh air, which I think we're all craving at the moment. But very few people know what to pack in a holiday's first aid kit. So to help give us some tips on what should be in the emergency kit is Dr. Natalie Gaspero and Dr. Marianne Ferreira, who are both homeopaths joining in studio. Now, Marianne, let's start with you and give us a rundown of what would be your essentials in a first aid kit for holiday.
Oh my goodness, I tell you, I think everyone in South Africa is now, we deserve a holiday. And if COVID allows us and don't give us another lockdown, I think majority of the people are going to go away. So we just don't want someone to now feel ill or have some sort of injury. So most essential bare necessities would be something like a bandage, a plaster, some wound dressing, adhesive tape, tweezers, gloves, maybe some scissors will be a good idea. Burn shield, a very good thing.
Absolutely, especially with fries and things like that.
And it is fantastic, even for after sun.
Okay.
Very nice to use that. So things like that, and maybe like an antiseptic ointment. Well, not just antiseptic, for bites and things like that, we would need some ointments. Rehydrate is also just put a few packets into your kit and it helps for a lot of things as well. So just basic things, painkillers as well. But yeah, it's just, that is your bare necessities, I would say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Natalie, anything to add? Any remedies that you think are also essential to have?
Yes, so if we're going to now pack a comprehensive first aid kit and you've got a little bit of extra space, some nice things to then consider would be like a thermometer, torch, space blanket. Then when it comes to your medications, you're going to do your antihistamines, your antiseptic ointments like Marianne mentioned, also some sunblock after sun, some nausea or motion sickness medication, maybe a little bit of antidiarrheals, antacids, cold and flu medication, cough medication, and then also not to forget to pack your prescription medication, because you need to make sure you have enough for the journey ahead and maybe a few extra days afterwards as well.
Absolutely. Why would you encourage people to just kind of tackle the first aid kit as quite an essential part of your packing?
It's a very essential part because it happens, it's always, the parents will always say it's 12 o'clock or in the middle of the night that the kids will get sick, or someone is feeling nauseous or vomiting, or there's some illness. And then what do you have? You can't go to a shop and get something there. So it is very essential to just have a small little kit, just with basic necessities, just even if it just lasts you through the night, or just to take off the edge. So that is for me. I have used mine plenty of times and at the strangest times where you never think that you would need something. But yeah, someone just comes and says, oh, I have a stomach that's aching, or I stubbed my toe or something. Plaster. Yeah, you've got something. So I'm the pharmacy to go to.
Well, ladies, thank you so much. I think lots of great stuff. There's a shopping list that I've got to go now get before we head out. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with us.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.